Are financial advisors actually helping, or just taking your money? Here's what they don't tell you. These are the top 5 reasons you don't need a financial advisor that the experts will never tell you. We will be going over how financial advisors keep you broke and what you need to do instead. First up, you can easily do what they do, for free. Most advisors use basic strategies you can learn in a weekend. Seriously, with all the free resources online, you can build a simple index fund portfolio, rebalance once a year, and automate your investing, all without paying anyone a dime. Reason 2. The internet replaced old-fashioned gatekeepers. Back in the day, you needed an advisor just to buy a stock. Now you can open a brokerage account from your phone in 5 minutes, check real-time data, and even watch expert analysis for free. All that exclusive knowledge isn't so exclusive anymore. Third, conflicts of interest are everywhere in the financial advisor world. A lot of advisors get paid more to sell you certain products, even if they're not the best fit for you. That means their advice might be based more on their commissions than your financial goals. Not cool. Fourth reason, robo-advisors are smarter, cheaper, and never sleep. Algorithms don't get tired, distracted, or greedy. Robo-advisors automatically manage your portfolio, adjust for risk, and charge way less in fees. Plus, they don't try to upsell you on stuff you don't need. And finally, fees, especially the sneaky hidden ones. Even a 1% fee can slash your retirement savings by hundreds of thousands over decades. Advisors might downplay this, but do the math. Those recurring fees can quietly drain away your wealth faster than you'd think. So here's the bottom line. With today's tools, you can take control of your finances, skip the middleman, and keep more of your hard-earned money. Don't let outdated advice or hidden fees hold you back. Take charge. Your future self will thank you. Now that you know the top 5 reasons you don't need a financial advisor, we have a real game changer that can get you growing your money fast right away. Click this video here and subscribe to our channel for updates.